Peelers are at full speed. Keep the belt clear. Quality looks good. Watch for jams. Output is steady. Let's maintain this pace.
Mixture looks stable. Opening the hatch. Agreed. Check the temperature and pH.
Levels are optimal, ready for next stage.
Temperature holding steady at 38.4 degrees. Mixing is optimal. Let's check the pressure now. All systems are stable. Good. Sampling the ferment looks good. Sending it to the dryers now. Dryer temp is stable at 120.
In these advanced facilities, fermentation tanks produce the base for our products. Next, grinding machines refine the crystals into smooth white seasoning powder. Precision technology ensures a perfect, consistent product.
Check the seals for any gaps. This batch looks good, no issues. Keep the line speed steady. Confirmed. Monitoring sensors. Cassava input is steady at 1500 kg per minute.
Good. MSG output is at 1200 kg per minute.
Right on target. Efficiency is up. Excellent. Keep monitoring for any fluctuations.
Check the pH balance on the cassava line. Flow rate is steady. No leaks detected. Adjusting the input valve now.
Careful with that one, it's heavy. Stack it tight in the back. Next pallet coming up. Line 3 is stable. Cassava feed is consistent. Crystals forming. Drying is active. From the harvesting of cassava roots to the final packaging of pure Ajinomoto MSG seasoning, witness the complete production process, the highest quality and purity of our products.